Hi, I'm Tembi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to contour and highlight using vegan makeup products. So for the first step, I'm just going to prime. So once I've primed, I want to lay a nice base. So I'm just going to take a foundation in Simone's skin colour and apply this all over. Decide on what coverage level you want and just build it up until you're happy. Okay, so on assessing Simone's face, I can feel that I want to lift up the cheekbones ever so slightly, maybe define the jawline a little bit, and I could bring the hairline down just a slight bit at the top there as well. Everyone's face shape is different, so by feeling your own face and feeling where the bones naturally lie, that's going to help you with your placement for your contour. So I'm just going to start using the centre of the ear as a guide and make sure that I can feel the brush pushing that cheekbone up. That's a good place to end at the start of the eye. And do the same on the other side, making sure to always check that both sides are symmetrical. As you can see, I'm really feeling where that bone structure lies, and I want to make sure I'm coming under it, so I'm almost right under the chin. So we're just going to start to blend the edges of the darker foundation. In case you've got any under eye dark circles, make sure you correct at this stage. We always correct using a warmer tone concealer, so something that's got a pink or an orange base to it. We've now contoured and done any colour correction needed, so I'm going to move on to our highlight step. You can use a lighter foundation for this, but I'm going to use a highlight stick. So I'm going to do a V shape with my highlight pen, coming right up onto the cheekbone and under the eye. And what this is going to do, it's going to flatten the front surface of the face and lift up the cheekbone. It's going to work with the contour that we've already done. I'm going to put a tiny bit underneath the cheekbone. This is if you really want to carve it in. And to brighten the face that little bit more, just going to do a tiny bit in the centre of the face there. Once you're happy with your placement, we're just going to blend again. So I'm really happy with the contouring and highlighting that we've done on Simone here now, so I'm just going to set it with some powder. I'm using the transparent powder on all the areas we've highlighted, and then a bronzer powder on all the contour areas. If you want to add an extra pop of shine to the cheekbones, a highlight powder is perfect for that. Everything I've used in this contour and highlight video is vegan friendly. There's a list of products below. Please let us know what you think and don't forget to subscribe.